Thank you very much, Raju, for joining us in this session. I really appreciate the time, effort put by both of you in this session. While closing this session today, I would like to ask some questions and your feedback that will be helpful for us to improve this training program and to make it more convenient and more knowledgeable for the people. So, my first question is regarding your choice of doing CMRP preparation training with us. What were your key takeaways from the training program, and how do you plan to apply them in your work or personal or professional projects?
The first question, the selecting CMRP course, where as a condition monitoring team analyst, I would like to know and get knowledge further about reliability studies, work management, manufacturing process, organization leadership, and equipment reliability. So these are the topics I would like to select and have a knowledge on this one. And I choose that FANCO is the better training platform compared to other one. So I selected this, and during this training, there was an interesting interaction with your facilitator, Mr. Irfan, and I'm really happy with him that he clarified most of the thing with a good example and some of that statistics also. And the topics where I deeply learned about the business and management, where I'm in middle management, I'm not in a management level of employee. So business management also taught me about how to communication with stakeholders, manage environmental health safety risks, and create strategic directions, administrative strategic plans, measures performance about the track and reports, managing organization plan. And when I review that topic about that manufacturing process reliability, it was really a fantastic one about understanding that document process flow, process parameters, quality specifications, and process improvement technique use, manage effects of chance of process, and management of change, and process applicable, like understanding industrial standards, understanding regulations, and ensure compliance. These are the main key topics I took from this manufacturing process. And the third pillar, like equipment reliability, which is the most important topics. Even I suggest for everyone to go this one and study again and again, where there is a deep dive knowledge about that equipment reliability expectations, what we have, and the reliability identification improvement opportunities, and reliability of existing equipment and new equipment, and cost justification, implementing selected plans, and reliability of a equipment. It's not only a equipment. When we say equipment, it is for the reliability of asset and reliability of our company. So to improve the reliability of our company, it's not only the equipment spare parts, and we have to be stick with the other engineering teams to improve that asset reliability. And when I go for the leadership topic in the fourth pillar organization, the subject is really an excellent one, saying about the process and assuring that how the maintenance and reliability staff is most qualified and the best assigned to achieve a common goal of our asset and reliability, M&R topics. And the last but not least, the topic work management, where very important work management, that where we log in our asset. Though as a reliability professional, I am good in my reliability, good in my reliable technique use and maintenance, but there is some gaps where we need to fill it by work management. The work management mostly covers about the planning, scheduling of normal PM and CMs, and planning, scheduling of turnarounds, and what are the CMMS, EMS methods we use, like a SAP in some companies, to improve the wrench hours and fill the gap, bridge the gap to improve our work management. So these are the 5 pillars, really a fantastic pillars. It's not the exam point of view, but it is good for the learning point of view. And also that where I will applicable, I'm much interested to go with first the work management, where that I see the trained people, right people in the right job. That is very important for me. And right material on time, and what are the spares really needed, and how to do this reordering process, and quantity on hold, stock increasing. This will be very good for me first to build up. Second, I will go with the right people with the right training. And that I'm going to implement even in my team. We have some contracting team, and I should be do this what we say that checklist to see that people are really trained up, they're well knowledge or not, or they are the fit people for the right work and reporting structure. So really fantastic, and thanks to trainer Irfan ji, and I'm happy with these subjects. And the presentation which they made is really fantastic. It's very simple, not a high level of knowledge, and it is very precise and useful, so that I have an interest to read again and again. So that the way and the structure he prepared is it's outstanding.
Oh, much
Yes.
appreciated. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
And
much.
I'm really very amazed to hear everything. Especially, I'm in the training business from last 15 years, and I understand that on the last day of training, sometimes people cannot elaborate that much from their training which they have recently finished. The detail you told me about all the 5 pillars and you segregated each point very nicely. It means that you guys really had a very great session, and you were really having a great learning experience with Mr. Irfan at FANCO. So far, I
Yeah.
understood that you are very happy, but if you want to rate it, if I tell you from 1 to 5, 1 is the least and 5 is you are very much satisfied, how will you rate the quality?
I will go with the rating of 5, because the way I was expected, the same I received from your team. It's really fantastic, because I joined this training not for the certification, for learning curve. Because when the mindset for me is to learn, then my way of thinking is entirely different. And I'm much interested on the topics of unknown also, because Mr. Irfan, he explained me with some example where it's new to me. Though I have a 25 years experience in this oil and gas and power sectors, but some of the new things which I learned from trainer, it's again telling me that though you have a higher level, but again you need to refresh and learn new things. Every time of reading the same book again and again, I learn new things. And this is example of this CMRP training. It shows me that I need further to learn more and more. That's what he organized, that 5 pillars with the each chapters accordingly. It's really outstanding. And I rate 5.
Thank you very much. One last thing from my side. Will you recommend your friends and colleagues to get any training program at FANCO?
Yeah, sure. 100% I recommend to my colleagues, because now most of them are on leave. When they come back, even I will also go. I think just give me 2 months more. So even I will recommend them to contact you for the training and learn. Yes, it is a recommended one, and I will recommend to my team. Sure.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Raju. It was actually a great pleasure having you with us in this session, Mr. Irfan. If you want to have any closing words.
Yes, my final words would be to ask you again that to improve the quality further, I always expect my customers to provide a very brutal and very honest feedback. Okay. So if you have any comments where I can improve, that would be great.
Thank you for asking this question, because I'm not here to give 100% positive session, but again, I have some room. I have something that which is a room to improve for you. As a attendee, I expect that, especially in the equipment reliability pillar 3, when we discuss about RCA reports like a fishbone, scattered one, and flow chart, I am expecting like the fishbone chart with some case studies, proven case studies. Let's say that there is a pump failure due to vane pass frequency. So how fishbone was made in the report. If you have some case studies proven, I'm sure that it is not from the book, maybe from any Google or something. If that we have a fishbone chart with the proven case studies, so they prepared in this way, step by step. If that is there, that will be much better. This is what I'm thinking. Other than all the topics are fantastic, and I don't think so improvement is required.
Thank you very much. But I understand your point that there must be an applicable presentable example to it, right?
Correct,
So
correct.
I will add them, right?
Yeah.
That should be my concern. I will add some of the examples without using
Mm,
the specific data, right? Thank you.
yes.
Thank you very much, Mr. Irfan. Thank you very much, Mr. Raju. Before I close, I will like to add one more thing that me and Irfan are always available. If you need any further support in this regard, you can let us know at any time. We will get back to you on your WhatsApp message as soon as possible. And at FANCO Industrial Solutions, we are providing global services to our platform in USA, that is FANCO Solutions LLC, that is in Florida, USA. We are providing design and analysis, structure analysis services and training. We are providing CRE, Certified Reliability Engineering Training, MLA, Vibration, CAP, Certified Analytics Professional, and many more. By the way, we are providing RBI services to some of our clients in Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, and African states. So we are looking
Okay.
forward to work more with your organization, with yourself. Thank you very much. Have a very, very great day and have a very, very great learning day ahead. And wish you best of luck for your career. Thank you very much, Mr. Irfan. Thank you very much, Mr. Raju.
Thank
Have a
you.
great day.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you very much.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Thank you. Bye.